20 minutes later. Welcome to Comp Day. They must have gone. Let's go. They must be at breakfast.
Let's go.
You'll go pay for breakfast.
I want to go and see them at breakfast.
Yeah, we've got to go to reception first to pay.
Right.
So we need 2 kids, 2 adults for breakfast.
But those 2 are still going to change.
Showered, changed. And this is the kitchen. That's where we're going to have.
I know.
Makes the best eggs.
She's filming it. Are you filming? Hello.
It's breakfast time.
Oh, hey. Breakfast time. Oh, I felt like a real life vlogger there.
My dad's just like. Anyways, it's breakfast time for Lacey. I want a pancake. Lil. Lil. Lil, do you want to get it? Lil. Yeah. There's so many people. Okay, so you're having cereal. I'm gonna have some other stuff. Just realised that the lid just messed up. So Lacey's just picking cereal right now. She's having cornflakes. I can't put the best cereal ever. Oh, hi Lil. You know what? Lacey, Lily, you know I'm filming you. Okay, there goes Lacey. She's coming back.
Cheers, bro.
Yummy.
What'd you get? Some cereal, nuts and pancakes.
No, Nutella pancakes.
Do?
Nutella pancakes.
Nutella pancakes, nice. Cup of tea. There is a tea bag in there, I promise. There you go.
There is. My dad.
It's a bit far from Papa. Do you want an egg, mate? No? Ready?
Yeah.
Ready for the ooze?
My mum loves oozes.
And then you just request them from up there.
Can we? They're nice. Yeah.
Someone's excited. You excited for today?
That's annoying. Get it. Are you ready, Dee? An angry face.
Taste test.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Do. You made from me. Get it. I made it.
Did you make it? Is it good?
Get it. Ow. Mum, where's the key? Oh, shit.
I got a key.
I need key.
And we're off to Warwick. And we're off to Warwick University. You all ready?
Yeah.
Lace, don't blow those up in the car.
I won't.
Okay, let's go.
Road, A428.
There's him up here. Do you want them?
In 50 yards, turn left towards Brandon Road, A428. Turn left towards Brandon Road, A428. In 150 yards, at the roundabout, keep the third exit onto Brandon Road,
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, have we locked the car? Yeah.
Your mum's the best at playing it.
Yeah, she did, yeah.
No, it isn't. Anyways, Lacey's the best player ever at games. She beated me. So, actually, she can I actually might win. Hi. I'm the person who's filming it right now. Okay. No, I won!
Dad wins.
No, I won!
3 Degrees All Stars, Queen Bees!
Looking at the queen bee. Tight like the book. I'm a queen, yeah, I'm a savage. Always come with the soul, 'cause she's an old queen. She manifests to the fold, right up butter and drink. Break it down, back and drop it right now. Go. Queen bees.
What'd you say? What's wrong?
I just want to puke.
Heading back to the hotel for some chill.
No.
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 Yes.
Sus, but me and Gio are going to be running like that.
Hi, mate. Yeah, we checked in last night, but the wife gave you the wrong registration number.
Oh, this is better.
It's okay, is it? You got the key, yeah?
Yeah, it's my hand.
Okay, go, go, go. Room 16, let's go.
I'm on why did I put it little one? Now it's 3, now it's 5.
I don't know, because we're best friends.
No, we're not.
Best friends.
I suppose not best friend.
Who's your best friend then?
Iris and D.
What about Dad?
Not my father.
Rude.
2 hours later.
We're gonna head back now. Go watch Lil. And we just had a few hours in the Premier Inn whilst watching the Six Nations. Pardon? Nah, we weren't asleep, were we? No naps had. But we're gonna head off back now to the Warwick University and watch Lil perform. So we'll see you when we get there. Let's go. And we're here to come watch Lily. We're gonna cheer on Lily the cheerleader. Car. And there was pizza and chips. You had pizza and chips, didn't you? Oh, so kind. What'd you do if I knocked it out of your hand?
Punch you in the face.
We won't tell anyone. Nice crown.
Please give it up for coming from our athletes, and second place goes to
Zach Brock. End of day 1. See you later. Bye.
What are you chatting?
Rubies.
In a quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Gibbet Hill Road.
Gibbet.
Hurts my knee hurts and my feet hurt. I'm in agony, bruv.
Yeah, bruv.
Actually, agony.
Did well there. Very proud.
Thanks.
Got your Mackie D's.
Lucky D's for my celebration of coming third.
We're at the Premier Inn in Binley.
But my division was really tough because
It
none
was.
of us fell.
They're under 16s in the big girl league now. Oh yeah. Room 16.
Oh yeah.
16.
Oh my god, it smells.
Look at this nice shiny medal. Cheers, City. Do you reckon you'll get one tomorrow, Lace?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And you subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys! Bye guys!